Would you please
Get the
sign
hell
my
out of here, you
petition?
lunatic!
Hi there, would you like to sign my petition? Would you please sign my petition? Hi there, would you like to sign my petition?
Police! Police!
You gotta be fucking kidding. Look, just sign the stupid petition. I've got stuff to do.
I'm down.
Thanks. Would you please sign my petition?
No way, you freaking pinko.
Shit.
Yeah,
Sign my
but I can't
petition,
tell
damn it.
yet.
No way, you freaking pinko.
You gotta be. Are you gonna sign
Hey,
this, or will it
how
be
much
your
does
surviving
Bad
family
Touch
members?
Crunchy go for on eBay?
Okay, I guess that sounds pretty good.
Thanks. Hi there, would you like to sign my petition?
I'm sorry.
Look, just sign the stupid petition. I've got stuff to do.
Sorry.
You gotta be. Sign this petition, or I'll follow you home and kill your dog.
Well, did you see him the other day?
Would you please sign my petition?
I'm sorry.
Shit. Sign my petition, damn it.
No way, you freaking pinko.
You gotta. Are you gonna sign this, or will it be your surviving family members?
Okay, I guess that sounds pretty good.
Thanks. Hi there, would you like to sign my petition?
Okay, I'll do it.
Thanks. Would you please sign my petition?
No way, you freaking pinko.
Shit. Look, just sign the stupid petition. I've got stuff to do.
No way, you freaking pinko.
You gotta be fucking kidding. Sign this petition, or I'll follow you home and kill your dog.
No way, you freaking pinko.
Hi there, would you like to sign my petition?
Leave me alone.
Would you please sign my petition?
Okay, I guess that sounds pretty good.
Thanks. Would you please sign my petition?
I'm sorry.
You gotta be fucking kidding. Look, just sign the stupid petition. I've got stuff to do.
Okay, I'll do it.
Thanks. Hi there, would you like to sign my petition?
I'm sorry.
Shit. Sign my petition, damn it.
Okay, I guess that sounds pretty good.
And done.
Burn a book, save a tree. Burn a book, save a tree. Burn a book, save a tree.
Coming through.
Hey, watch it.
Well, did you see him the other day? I tried 6 once, but I couldn't walk for a week.
Sup?
Is this everything?
Uh-huh. Look out.
That'll be $10.
Let's see. That should cover it. Thanks.
That'll work. Thanks.
Cool, thanks.
I can help you over here,
Hi.
please.
Hey.
Is this everything?
Sure.
That'll be $20.
Here you go.
And come again.
You rule.
I can help you over here, please.
Hi.
Hey. How are you?
Doing pretty good.
Well, take care.
Is this everything?
Sure.
That'll be $10.
Here you go.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Sweet.
I can help you over here,
Hey.
please.
Hello.
Is this everything?
Yep.
That'll be $20.
Let's see. That should cover it. Thanks.
That'll work. Thanks.
That rocks. Hi. Sup? How's it going? Oh, okay, I guess. I'm sorry.
Is this everything?
Uh-huh.
That'll be $10. Here you go. And come again.
Kick ass. Hey.
Hi there.
There's a late fee on this of $40.
You rule.
Sounds reasonable.
Finally, it's about time you showed up. Sorry I'm late. Somebody blew up my car. Let's burn some books.
Can't we all just get along? Guess not. I better watch out for those guys from now on. That's the ticket.
Huh?
Yeah, you're cool. Go away.
What are you looking at, cunt face? Huh?
Next.
What are you looking
Hello.
at, cunt
It's
face?
for my girlfriend's uncle. Thanks. You can leave now. That rocks. Next. Hey.
Say that Willis thing.
Yeah, you're cool. Go away.
That rocks.
Next. Hello.
I was truly moved by your performance in The Kid with the Broken Halo.
You still here?
Great!
Next. Hey,
It's for my girlfriend's uncle.
here you go.
You rule.
What is wrong with you? Next. What is wrong with you? Hi.
Hello, Mr. Coleman. I love facts of life. You ever do that leather Tuscadero chick?
Yeah, you're cool. Go away.
It's from my mother, I swear.
Yeah, sure it is. If I see you selling this on eBay, I will come to your house and kick your narrow ass.
Close enough.
Get down or I'll put you down.
Get down or I'll put you. Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
This is the police. Send out the former child actor. We have a warrant for his arrest.
Go back to the donut convention. I ain't going nowhere.
We're serious. Send Gary out now and nobody gets hurt.
Lieutenant Grossman tried to warn us.
I'm not going to the joint.
will make it. This year?
That's one serious teabag.
I see. You're crazy. So do you think video games are evil?
That horny beast is gonna go somebody in the ass.
Are you even listening to me? Where were you planning on going to lunch?
Give me one of those, Santa Claus.
Hey, stop doing that.
Sorry. That's the stuff.
What? What the? Hey! What the? Yo, mama!
Hello. So, do you think video games are evil? So, do you think the Marmosets will make it into the playoffs this year? That's great. That's what I thought. Hello. What's up? Next.
Hi.
Next.
Bless me, Father, for I have really sinned. Really. I'm not kidding here. Big sinner. Yep.
Did you drop an offering in the box?
Yes.
Then you are forgiven, my son.
Next.
Thanks. Close enough. Time to head home.
What are you talking about? If it was up your ass, you'd know. Hey, buddy, if you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. Holy shit!
We reclaim this holy land in the name of Allah. Prepare to die, infidels.
One side.
Come out, my peaceful brethren. It's time to deliver an ass whooping of biblical
It's go
proportions,
time,
you pajama-wearing
Get on the
pagans.
ground.
Get out of the way! Hey!
Please! Please! No! Stop right there!
He's killing everyone.
I gotta find more of that good stuff.
What the?
Look out! Idiot.
I can't believe this is happening.
You probably thought you were gonna die today. Surprise. to grow up. Only my weapon understands me. This can't be good for... That's the ticket.
Here, you forgot one.
One side.
Now I can't feel my leg. Say, pretty good.
Hey, watch it.
That stuff really works.